What I want to talk about is truth and belief. And what happens when we look at truth and belief from the lens of religious science. Truth and belief, they are not the same thing. They have a point of overlapping, but they are not the same thing. Next. Next. Let's take a definition of truth. The real facts about something. The things that are true. The quality or state of being true. A statement or idea that is true or accepted as true. This is from Webster's Dictionary. Unfortunately, it defines truth with true, which is kind of a circular definition. So I'm going to use a little different definition, and that definition is a scientific definition of truth. That which is repeatable. That which we know that we can repeat time and time again and always get the same thing. Whatever experiment we put it into, it is always going to be that same thing. Next. Here we go. E equals mc squared. Light, the velocity of light. This c is this, 186,282 feet per second. Always is, always will be, always has been. That is the velocity of light. Water, H2O. You take 2 hydrogen atoms, add 1 oxygen atom, and you will always get water. Another scientific principle, if you add another oxygen atom, you know what you get? You get peroxide. It is not the same thing. As a matter of fact, I don't suggest that you try and make ice cubes out of hydrogen peroxide. Not a good thing. Okay, we also have in geometry, we have truth. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Built the pyramids. These are truths. We don't have to believe that these are true. These are true. We will if we take it a right triangle, A squared plus B squared always is C squared. So, let's take a look at belief. Belief is a feeling of something being sure that someone or something exists or that something is true. A feeling that something is good, right, or valuable. A feeling of trust in the worth or the ability of someone or something. Notice the difference. The difference between belief is this key word, feeling. It is ineffable. You cannot calculate feeling. You cannot measure feeling. You can't put it on a scale and say, this is a feeling, this is a good feeling, this is a bad feeling. It is something that is innately human. And because it is innately human, it is something that is very powerful of and by itself. Next. So, we can believe in God. We can believe in Mom. We can believe in apple pie. Those are all innately good things. And we can also believe in some things that may or may not be in the relative realm of truth, i.e., little green men. Winning the lotto. I have the winning lotto numbers right here. Somebody's got to have it sometime. Doesn't mean that these lotto numbers are the ones that are going to come up tonight, tomorrow, Wednesday. Or the Cubs winning the series. Hey, as a Cubs fan, I understand. Yeah, these things happen. It's not innately truth. Some days, sometime, yeah, but not now. So next. In the metaphysical realm, we also have truth and we also have belief. In the metaphysical realm, our truths are those things that aren't necessarily repeatable like in the scientific realm, but things that are indivisible, that cannot be reduced to something smaller than themselves. And so in this realm, we have things like love. We have things like abundance. We have things like ease. We have things like peace. These are truths. We know that there is love. we know that there is abundance. We know that there is ease. We know that there is peace. Whether we are experiencing that at any one particular time is our choice. And that's where it gets coupled with belief. Next. Belief really comes down to two words. And they're probably the most powerful words in metaphysics. I am. I am that I am. The Lord God Jehovah said unto Moses, I am that I am. Krishna, when asked who he was, he said, I am. Buddha in Asanga was asked who he is, and he said, I am. I am that I am. This is a tenet that runs through all faiths, all beliefs, all creeds. And it is the most powerful two words that you can say, that any of us can say. I am that I am. Because we take responsibility, we take action. I am is actually three different things. It is a verb. It is an action. It is a noun. And it is a description. It is an adjective, right? So, I am. Next. When we take love, when we take truth, when we take belief, we activate a catalyst. Belief is the activating catalyst to the truth. And when we hold in that point where I am these truths, we see that it is done as we believe. The two words are not done and done and believe. The key word is as. It is done as we believe. Now, faith is a well-grounded assurance of that for which we hope and a conviction of the reality of the things which we do not see. Faith is belief on steroids. So, when we move into faith of these truths, we move into something that is much more sublime and much more transforming. Next. We move into a place of knowledge. Because the intersection of truth and belief is knowledge. And when we get to this point, we can readily say that I am love. I am abundance. I am ease. I am peace. This is the powerful simplicity of science of mind. We are what we think we are, and when we activate that with our belief and stand in the truth, we are transformed. If you want to have an experimental experience of that, try it now. I am love. Please.
I am love.
I am abundance. I am ease. I am peace. Didn't sound like you guys really believed it. Come on, let's try it again. I am love. I am abundance. I am ease. I am peace. One more time. I am love. I am ease. I am ease, and I am peace. And so it is.